Hello everyone, this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. So how's my children doing? I ask the same thing, right? Then I'll start with chemistry. Without chemistry there is no life. No, today let's not talk about chemistry but let's talk about life. I know you're all here in the channel every day or in the Vedanta website or the app every day because you want to score good. Very good. Even we want to give the best. We want to help you to achieve all your dreams. Right? But if something happens which you were not expecting, so you just sit and cry. You feel like okay, everything is over. Your results are out. You're not satisfied with your marks, so it's the end of everything. Is that a failure? What do you think? No, right? Yes. So, I'm not that good of a motivational speaker or whatever it is. Well, I don't know. But I have always followed few things in my life which has made me into a person I am today. If someone asks, "Are you happy, Surabhi?" my answer would be yes. I am really happy and content with my life. Not because I have a very good job, not because how much I earn, not because I have a master degree in chemistry. Because I don't know, life is good. You know, I do the things I like. I'm teaching, which I always wanted to. And sometimes, I'll just sing. I don't care who's around me. That makes me happy. The little things, the rain, or the smell of coffee, or very small things, beach. It makes me really happy. I'm so thankful for the things. I'm like, wow, I'm so lucky. I get to see all this. And never, ever, my marks comes into your mind. When I want to sit here and if you are asking me, okay, what are you thankful for? My marks? No. My education? Yes. My knowledge? Yes. My teachers? Yes. But marks? No. Trust me, where do you think we are using our 10th marks card? You really think we are showing it off? We have framed it? No matter how much you get. 99, yeah, 56 or 35. After a few years, it will be used as your date of birth proof. I would really say, please work hard. Study well. Concentrate. Attend all the sessions. Yes, that is very important. But once the results are out, okay, appreciate yourself. You did what you could do. Right? You have given your best. You will always do that. You did a mistake, correct it. Just analyze it. What went wrong? What could have been done? That's it. Why do you want to sit and feel, hi, my life, it's gone, I got this much marks. Okay. Okay, I watched this, I don't know why I watched this. I learned it from some video. I watched it very, I don't know, long back. So this is a 20 rupees note, right? Okay. If I ask anyone, do you want it? The answer would be yes. From no matter, we never say no to money, right? Even when your relatives come and give you, when they are leaving, they're like, le lo. You're like, no, right? No, you don't say no to money. So my question is, you can see the note, 20 rupees card. Okay? So I'll give it to you. I'm asking, do you want it? Your answer would be yes. Now do you still want it? Do you still want it? Yes, right? I'll stomp on it. I'm not supposed to, I know that. But even after doing that, If I ask people, do they want this 20 rupees note, they will say yes. Because it's not about its appearance. It's not about how much it has gone through. It has not lost its worth, right? 20 rupees, it is still worth it. Your life is also same. It's not about, oh, okay, he has scored less marks. Oh, he cannot even answer this question. Huh, why are you so dumb? Hey, we have learned this in third standard only, you still don't know. How does it matter? Okay, you know, very good. I'll also learn. If you're trying, that is more than enough. Just keep moving and consider yourself as a competitor. You don't want to compare yourself with Shalini auntie ki beti or your chachu ka beta. No need. Just think how you were yesterday and what are the changes in your life today. Are you a better person than yesterday? If your answer is yes, then you're doing good. If no, then just sit back and see, oh, what went wrong. That's it. So, success, failure, or whatever it is, okay, don't be too bothered by it, because success and failure, it's you write your own definitions, yeah. Don't follow the definitions of other people. Success is really, you think, earning so much money or getting 99.9%, that is success. I have seen people, trust me, I have seen people, who scores very well and they are not at all happy with their life. And who have scored like 35 to 40 percentage and are doing very good in their life. They're very happy. So, who is successful? 99% or 35%? I believe in all of you. You all can do it, right? So, just think what you want to be. Whatever it is, you want to get this marks, or it's education is beautiful, knowledge is beautiful. So you have to learn every day, because all the subjects are beautiful. Maths is good, chemistry is so interesting, physics, wow. Don't learn for mark's sake. Study it because you're learning something, and learning is beautiful, trust me. You didn't know something yesterday, you know it today. How nice is that? And tomorrow you can teach it to someone. That's the best feeling, when you are teaching something and the other person says, yes, I got it. Is it this is related to marks? Of course not. So every day, do your best. Look up to you. You're like, just stand in front of a mirror and say, yes, I can do it. Who will stop me? I'll achieve whatever I want. Okay, if you feel, I don't think, failure is the right word for anything. So if you feel, I didn't do it today, trust me, you will do it tomorrow. Nothing is permanent, yeah? Come on, right? So just keep trying. So, I am very poor in maths. I'll tell you, I'm not ashamed of it at all. I'm very bad at it, So I scored very less in maths, but I knew it because I tried, but no, it is not possible. So what? But the next day, I put some extra efforts. I'm like, okay, I did something wrong. Why I'm not able to understand this? So I'll try some other methods. Okay, if I couldn't learn using this method, I'll look into some other methods. I'll see what my friends are doing. How is it easy for them? You will find a way. You will do it one day. See, if you will learn today, the same thing you will learn tomorrow. It's not about how fast you are. It's about, are you going forward in your life or not? Don't stop. Just keep learning. Even if you fail, which according to me, no, you are one step ahead, right? You failed because you tried. Trying is a good thing. Yes. What others think of me? No. Who cares? Really? You want to think what others think of me? Science ले लो बेटा. Because your uncle wants you to become an engineer. Why? You want to be an artist? Go ahead, do it. You want to be a singer or dancer? Go ahead. Remember, when you are like 40 years, you're just sitting and thinking, okay, I'm glad I went against them. I'm glad I didn't listen to them. I'm glad I didn't, what others think of me didn't bother me. You're thinking, you're having those thoughts with a smile because you're not regretting your decision. You're happy with that. That is what matters, right? Trust me, my own relatives were against it because I wanted to do this basic science. I wanted to do my BSc and not engineering, which everyone considered as, oh, yeah. They were like really upset with me. But I never regretted my decision. Now also I'm so proud of myself because I did what I want to. I wanted to be a chemistry teacher and I'm here today. I come here every day and I'm teaching you my favorite subject. And I'm a teacher, which I always wanted to be. With a smile because I love my job. Don't you think that is what is important? Right? Why do you want to sacrifice your dreams or the way you want to live because you're worried about, oh, what that uncle is gonna say? Don't care. I don't know whether I can say this. When you are taking a decision about your life, of course, respect everyone's advices, take it. At the end of the day, it is you who are gonna decide and who are gonna live that life. So what you want to be? Yes, try to convince your parents. No, I don't want to do this. I'll be this. I'll do it because I'll be happy. They will understand because they are your parents, right? Don't just give up. Don't just think, my parents want me to do this, so I'll just do it. No. Convince them, right? Because no one knows you better than yourself, right? Just open up, tell them, talk to them. Papa, I want to be a dancer. I like it. I want to be an artist. That's it. It's that easy. Throughout the life, you will go to work with a broad smile because you are loving it. Right? You're alone. Oh. Come on, you have me. You have your friends. You have your parents. That's it. So, how do you feel? As I told you, I'm not that good with this, but I really wanted to give it a try because you guys mean a lot to me, and if I can do something which will help you with your life, then I'm always ready to do it. So do share what you feel. Was this video helpful or not? But trust me when I say I want all of you to be happy and content, I really mean it. Just after a few years, I don't know whether you'll remember me or not when you just send me. I don't want to hear how much you're earning, what job you're in. I just want to hear, yes, ma'am, I'm happy. That's it. That's what matters. So please let me know how was the video. Did you like it? Was I good? You think I can motivate people? Do let me know. Thank you so much. Till now it was your master teacher Surabhi at Vedant. Bye bye.